All right, so first off, it's so important for any texture of hair to be able to maintain the integrity and to be able to really keep it as healthy as possible. And we have some amazing products to be able to do so. So in just a minute, we'll bring up their formulas on the screen for you. But obviously, taking any type of texture lighter requires a lot of treatments and processes to make sure that things are going to stay healthy. And we have some beautiful textured hair here. So Shades EQ Bonder inside is probably one of the most crucial tools to be able to utilize when it comes to glazing and toning any type of blonde surface behind the chair. And also on top of that, we have our Flash Lift Power 9, which if you've heard of Flash Lift Power 9, give me a hey, hey. Excellent. Well, if you have not, trust me, you're going to want to hear about it and you're going to want to use it. It's not in your hands yet, but it's so close. And it's one of my favorite lighteners. You can get up to 9 levels of lift. It does have bonder inside, so it gives you the opportunity to really maintain the integrity of the hair while you are lifting. So you can see Maya's before picture up on the screens here. So we did pre-lighten Maya's hair and gave her just a little bit of dimension. And one of my favorite tools to utilize within Shades EQ are the AGs. It's a new ash green that we have that's able to really soften some tones for you, and it's a beautiful shade to be able to work with. That, along with 06GN, really gives a nice flavor to be able to give a soft and believable tone versus being too harsh or too metallic-y. So one more time, please give it up for Maya. And again, for Maya, we have our Power 9 like we were talking about, and there's her before picture for you. She's got amazing texture, and we wanted to make sure to really maintain a really nice, light, beautiful result, but not questioning the integrity of her hair. So if you take a look, there's her formula up on the screen for you. And again, Shades EQ Gloss with bonder inside is one of the most crucial tools that we have to be able to utilize. So one more time, please get up for Maya.